Hello, my name is Corporal Stefania Velasquez with Southwest ISD Police Department. Our mission is to be a team of dedicated professionals committed to providing the Southwest ISD community a safe educational environment, building a future of leaders through prevention, intervention, and enforcement. We are hiring for individuals who want to be a part of this mission by serving in our district police department. Our compensation and benefits include starting pay $24.75 hourly, paid sick leave, vacation days, competitive insurance and Texas Retirement System benefits, 225 working days, 36 paid days off, overtime opportunities, specialized duties and roles, uniform allowance, paid training, compensation for prior school district policing experience, 6% raise for 2023 and 2024 school year, and a $2,500 retention stipend. To apply, visit our website at www.southwestisd.net/jobs.